Right. So let's just talk affiliate marketing and understand. Let's do the easiest concept. Let's go to Amazon, right? So if I go to Amazon and log in, because I'm an Amazon associate, so up here, look, Amazon associate, you get this little text link at the top. So if I wanted to say, I recommend, I don't know, camera. Let's go camera. I say in a video, this is a camera. It's $1,000. I recommend the Sony RX100 camera, right? What I would do is grab up here, get the link. So you can do different types. You can do an image, text an image, or a text. I'm going to grab this text. Here's my affiliate information, and it's going to give me this affiliate link, right? Amazon, amzn.to, tpdwand, right? So it doesn't make any sense. I'm never going to remember that. But if somebody always comes up to you and says, what camera do you recommend? You go to Rebrandly, you go new link, you paste in your Amazon code. You've got a choice of whichever domains you're using, but obviously I've got my own. But you could use Rebrandly and then do whatever it's called. But I'm going to use PNUK, right? And what is it? Sony RX. I'm going to say Sony RX, maybe RX 100, right? I can copy to clipboard here. Save that. So now what I'm going to do, when somebody comes up to me or in my video, they say to me, what camera do you recommend for YouTube videos? I'm going to say, oh, go to, you want a Sony RX 100 V7. Go to pnuk.co/Sony RX 100. I'm going to put this in my Twitter. I'm going to go Twitter. The camera I recommend for YouTube videos. Paste in pnuk.co tweet, right? And that's going to be that link. I think when it takes, it'll probably go to YouTube eventually. It'll go to Amazon. When it picks it up, it'll go to Amazon. You can go to let's have a look. Twitter validator card. See what if we pick it up. See if it actually picks the Amazon. Yeah, it doesn't pick up the Amazon link on Twitter, but you can put a picture of it or anything in there. Oh shit! Let me delete it before people start clicking on it and buying it. And you can put it in your video. So you'll see on my videos, I'll put it in the bottom corner. Here's a link. So what in the bottom corner down here, I'll put PNUK Rebrandly. Now, ironically, Rebrandly don't have they don't have a affiliate marketing link, right? So what I'll do is I'll show you. We're going to go here. I don't know if I've already got Rebrandly as a no. So same thing. In that bottom link I've got in my corner will say Rebrandly. So down in here in this corner here it will say pnuk.co/Rebrandly, right? Great. And that's the link you will click on, and Rebrandly will know what I've sent people their way. Well, they won't because they're not got an affiliate link. But anybody who gives you an affiliate link will have will be able to track from your Rebrandly. You will see on your side how many people have clicked, and then they will see how many people have clicked on their side. So if I go here, right? So here are my affiliates that I go to. So if I go to promo, so I'm a promo affiliate, right? So if somebody goes pnuk.co/promo, it's going to give this really crazy long link, but it's going to go to promo. Same with FitTrack. I've just bought some weighing scales from FitTrack, right? Fat Track, FitTrack, right? Anybody in my video clicks. Oh no! If I go pnuk.co FitTrack, right? When I do an introduction video to FitTrack, anybody who clicks here, you see I'm just affiliate 66, but they're going to pay me $10 for anybody who buys a FitTrack scale.